All right, guys, this is Trader Sabran here. Welcome to our new week, week 24. We're going to be looking at the market's analysis on GU, Euro USD, and probably we might look at SP500. So these are the pairs I want to look at today. And also, there are many other opportunities that are available looking at other pairs, but time will not permit me to go through all the pairs. So hopefully we might do another video to look at other pairs. But for now, we're going to talk about GU, Euro USD, and SP500. Okay. Now, because of the previous months that we have seen, Euro USD and GU seems to be trading in the same direction for the past couple of months. I'm going to show you an example in a moment. So for that reason, even though we do analysis for GU or Euro USD, they might still be the same. So I just want you to know that. Now, first of all, this is the monthly time frame. And if you are new to the channel, you have not been watching my video, I want you to go back to the previous videos and see how we do it. This is what we do every week. Every week, we post an analysis of the market behavior. We want to predict and analyze technically what the market is doing, price action about the market for the next coming week or for the next trading week. So from a Monday tomorrow, starting from tonight, we are going to be looking at the market in that direction that we're trying to analyze right now. So that's why it's so important that you watch this video carefully and practice alongside with it. It will help you to know how to look at the market. In fact, with this video alone, you can be rest assured that in a matter of time and efforts and commitment, you will become a trader, a professional trader yourself. And it's very easy to follow. The steps are not hard. So let's go on now. This is week 24 that I'm going to be looking at. So first of all, we're looking at GU. This is GDP USD on the monthly time frame. Now, I want you to observe something for the past couple of months, especially from the beginning of December, January this month, actually, we have seen that the market has been consolidating in the monthly time frame. So the highest level that the market got to on the monthly for this year so far, and the lowest point of this year so far is these levels. So we can see that on the monthly time frame, the market is consolidating. The reason best known to it is that we are bearish on the monthly. That's the only condition. As you can see, based on market structure, we are bearish on the monthly. So if you were to use this swing, which was the low that the market created, you will notice that price is reacting to 0.61 fib level, which is a very sensible and sensitive area of price action. So for that reason, the market is struggling there. So at any time price get there, we always observe that it drops. Anytime it gets there, it drops. Anytime it gets there, it drops. So this time we observed that the market got there, and what happened is smashed down. So I want you to observe that using that area of price action. So let's go back to let's also go back to the weekly, just to look at what the market did on the weekly last week. Now these are weekly candles, and you can observe that previous weeks were bullish. We can see that the previous weeks, the market has been very bullish on the previous week. And guess where the market rejected from? You see the lows on the monthly that was created. We can see that. So that means from January, this period, which was, if we were to go to the monthly again, I just want to show you what the market has been doing for the past few months. So if you observe on the monthly, this is the January candle from this period. Okay, so we're going to go back to the weekly just to show you what's going on. So you can see that the low that was created was here, which is on this price level. Okay, and then we see price pushed up. Immediately that low was created, price started rallying up. So previous weeks the market has been bullish, but this week that ended, which is week 2023, the market ended bearish even after pushing up a little while. So failed to break again this level, which was that fib on 61, the monthly fib 61, 0.618. So you can see that price rejected there again. The question is, what are we looking at now? So the potential of the market right now is what we are also seeing here. We saw that previously the market came up here, rejected, came up here, rejected. Now come up here again, is rejecting. So we should be anticipating that the market is going to be bearish from now on euro, on GBP USD. So firstly, haven't seen that. Very important that you see that. Then the next thing is you want to mark area of interest, which is based on price action. Area of interest are this key level here. This would be an area of interest to me that price may come to in the near future before any price action. And if you take it below, behind, you see that that was an area of interest several times. So the market came down, bounced off, came up there, rejected a little bit before dropping below it. And then we could anticipate that area as an interest. So that means if we're going to be selling the market this week, we are going to be looking at taking our TP at that level first. So that will give us about 122 pips, which is good for the week, depending on how the kind of trader that you are. So for just one pair, you're getting 120 something pips in a week. That is huge. Depending on your account size and your lot size, this is beautiful. So look at the daily. Now on the daily, we can see that that is a beautiful price action there. And what we want to see is a break of structure. So we can see that price created this momentum and we can see a rejection. So what we want to see is a break of structure. So we want to see that the market breaks structure to give us a momentum that price is coming. So what I'm saying is we want to see that price continue. Maybe the next candle will break structure and pull back, probably pull back into that zone or pull back a little bit, and then we'll continue to the sell side, which is very important that we need to see that there is a break of structure. Already, if you observe, there might be a minor break of structure here, which you can see on the line chart, but which is here, obviously. We can see a first break of structure there. Personally, I can see that this is a structural low, as you can see. So price already break that structure, as far as I'm concerned. So there's a first break of structure on the daily that we can see there, because if you were to observe daily chart, we can see that this was a support, resistance level. We have strong resistance there, and then we have price creating this support level around this level, which price also broke now. So we are anticipating that price will come here overall. Okay, this is the area we are expecting that price will come overall. So the price will come over here. Now, remember, there is an order block that is also here as well. So the best bet is to put it price on that order block. Of course, we have price action here, which is very sensitive as well. We can have a price action around this level, knowing that price will come there. But I feel that the order block might be sensible for that price. Or best bet, let's leave it at that level. Let's leave it there. Right, let's cover that range. Okay, that becomes a very sensitive area for us to buy the market. Now, just in case price does not break that level, we will stay impure. But at the moment, this is what we're looking at. So what you want to see on the 4 hour is this. On the 4 hour right now, we already see a nice structure liquidity taken here, and we want to see that price break below this level, or alternatively, we want to see the price take out that low, because there's a lot of liquidity here, and then pull back into it. So it might pull back into these quarter base area, where you have this quarter area here, where you have 1.27500 around this area. Price may pull back into this level, and then we want to see a drop. So here, this area is our sellable area that we're targeting. So I'm anticipating more sales on GBP USD this week. So we're going to be looking for sales, more sales. It's not about buying. The market, we can see from the monthly time frame that the market wants to sell. Now, let me give you another idea that I want you to see, if I put in my moving average here, this is 220 moving average, you can observe that price already broke below on the 4-hour. If you check daily, price is still up. Okay, that's why we need to see a proper structure break around this level on the daily. But on the daily, we can still see that price is still trading above. So we need to be more careful to see that. Then on the weekly, price is just rallying up. It's just beginning to trade above it. So it might continue, but we want to see that price wants to sell. So price wants to sell. That means rejecting at that level at the moment. So as long as price is rejecting at that level, except the next candle rally up. If the next candle break above this high, above 68,500 and close above it, then we know that we're going to be rallying up, going higher. But at the moment, that is not what we're saying. So at the moment, we're seeing this. So this is a liquidity level. So if the next candle open up, which is the weekly candle, if the next weekly candle open up and rally up, which I doubt is going to be, there might be a break. Price may eventually come here first and then bounces off again. This might happen. So that's why we're taking this area very seriously. We're taking that zone very seriously. Price may come up here and bounces off and rally up again, because that's what, except what we're targeting is that price break. If price break above 68, and then we know that it's going to go up. So for the moment, 0.68. For the moment, it's not doing it. 0.61, not 68. Is it 618 or 68? Anyway, you know the fib numbers. So that's what we're looking at. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, it looks so clumsy here, but let me spread it out so you can see. Now, this is the beauty of this market that we're looking at. That price will break this low and then continue to the downside. So what we're expecting is that we're expecting more price to the downside. We want to see structure here. We want to see that price pull back and then we drop, because this is already a swing low. It's a long swing low that may continue downward. So price may still drop. It may still drop to take out this liquidity here before it might reject on 1.2700. So if you check from there, that's about another 20 pips or so before it rejects from there and probably break it. If it breaks it, then we need a pullback before we can get in. So at the moment, on the 4-hour, we're bearish as a day trader, and on the daily, we are bearish as a day trader, and also on the 30 minutes, we're bearish as a day trader. So what we want to see is a pullback where price will drop a little bit. All this liquidity should be taken by dropping a little bit, and then we need a pullback, and then we'll continue to sell at the moment. But until then, we will not be looking at selling this market. We're not looking at buying this market right now. So you have to be very careful in making an attempt to buy. So I will be sending analysis this week. Hopefully we get a clean trade to be able to take the opportunity. We have this impulsive move. We're expecting price to pull back, and then we'll be able to trade it. So let's look at Euro USD. And as I told you before, Euro USD also have the same behavior as GDP is. If you go to the monthly, you will observe that the previous month from January, as you can see, has been trading bearish and also consolidation phase. As we can see, this is a consolidation phase. And also you can see the same behavior, the same pattern from this swing high to this swing low. Price is trading in between that area. So, but we can tell that the market is ready to try to start pushing down on the Euro USD. So this is a consolidation area that we have been seeing that market is trading on, but is a monthly time frame, remember. So if you're going to be trading, the market is not trending right now. That's what I'm trying to tell you, because you're trading a consolidation market, both GU and Euro USD. We are trading a consolidation market. So if you are trading it, you need to be very careful. That's why most of you have been losing money, and some of you have been making money, but most of you have been losing money on Euro USD. If you check the weekly time frame, you can see this is proper consolidation. It is nowhere near a trend. This is not a trend. This is pure consolidation market that you're trading. So rest assured that what you want to see is that price may reject again here or break through. But at the moment, this is a consolidation. For most of you who are swing traders, there are no trade opportunity right now for you on this pair, depending on what kind of trader you are and what kind of system you use as a swing trader. But at the moment, there is no opportunity for you to trade as a swing trader. But as a day trader, what you want to see is price is still selling. So you want to see that price is giving you a structure. Here, we have this high here that market created before on Euro USD, okay? And then we have this high here that the market created on Euro USD. So we can see that this lower high, lower lows. So we can see this low here that the market created on Euro USD. We can see that price was getting lower each time, as you can see that. So we are now actually on a lower low. So this is where you're looking for price to get to. So the question is, how would you get in here? Okay, how would you get in here to trade? You can see that this high here, price give us the high right there. So this is what you want to see, a break of structure and a pullback. As a day trader, you want to see this structure break. I think the Euro USD is a bit cleaner and clearer. So if you want to trade it, I would prefer you trade this one, let the breakout happen, and then a pullback and you continue. This is where you're taking your TP, this area here. So if you were to measure this, you will observe that's about 200 pips, which is great on Euro USD to take. So watch out for this structure. We want to see a break of structure and then a pullback. So on the 4 hour, we want to see a proper break. See, that's a good one there. We have already seen a break of structure 1. Okay, on the 4 hour, we can see a break of structure 1 here on the 4 hour. So we want to see this one break and a pullback. So what you're looking for now is a necessary pullback to continue selling Euro USD at the moment. But remember, you are trading a consolidation market. But if you are a day trader, you don't need to worry, because this is a proper break of stop. A trend has ended. So this 4 hour trend has just stopped. So now we're going to continue to this downside on this pair. So this is what I see on Euro USD in comparison or in correlation with GDP USD as well. So I hope you understand. We're looking for more sales on Euro USD. We're looking for more sales on GDP USD at the moment. Remember that GDP USD has a momentum to go up. There's a clear picture that GU might go up because of the way the market is looking at. But on Euro USD, there's a guarantee that we have a break of trend line, which is this massive trend that has been going on. The market has closed out of it, and now we're looking at a downtrend altogether, which is beautiful because it gives us a clear direction that we are now bearish on Euro USD. If I was to put in my trend beat, you will notice that we're bearish already. And if you increase that to 200 moving average, you will obviously know that we're bearish already. Now, let me bring in SP500, because this is what you want. You guys know that this is the area you're going to be looking for trade. Okay, so let me just see. So this is the area you're going to be looking for trade. Very important. Okay, we're looking for trade at this area. So we are in the sell market, strong one. Okay, now let me do SP500 quickly, and then we'll continue. All right, SP500. All right, now if you check the SP500 on the daily, we are extremely bullish. So you don't want to, this is an uptrend market. You don't want to play with this kind of pair. Don't try to sell it. You see, just broke the new high by liquidity grab. So this is just a kind of a retracement. So this is a beautiful trade opportunity that might happen here on SP500. But you see, this is an uptrend market. So we're bullish. So make no mistakes about it, we're bullish. So if you go to the 4 hour, what are you looking for? Opportunity for a pullback so that you can continue to the upside. So we can see that the last swing trade, swing move that was created, we are still bullish. I want you to know that we are bullish. The market is bullish. Do not try to sell this market. SP500 is bullish. Please don't sell it. Of course, we have a consolidation phase here that the market has created, which you can see here, but it is still a bullish market. So what we want to see is that price pull back a little bit into this area and continue to the upside. Now, if you want to sell, it, it's up to you. It's called counter trading. There's nothing wrong. You can do anything you want. All right. You can try and do anything you want. It's up to you. Okay. But we can see the price reacted to this area first. So we see that price reacted to this area first. So depending on the behavior of the market. So I will be looking at this swing high. Okay. See price reacted at 38. So probably it might still drop lower to target 0.618 at the fib level. So that's where you want to look for opportunity to buy. This is 4-hour candle. So you want to see that opportunity, that price drop to that level for you to take your trade. So this is exactly what this market is doing right now. Personally, I will look at the market like this on the 4-hour, on the daily. What am I seeing? So on the daily, this is what I see. So the first thing is I will see that price already give me a clean reaction there. So what I'm looking for is what price will do next. On the 4-hour, I'm looking at, okay, price is trading above that level and it's intending to drop. So first of all, I will wait for price to do that, to drop. It's still dropping. I'm not going to buy. I'm going to wait for price to drop even lower, where probably drop to that area of this key area here. So if price will drop again or reject at this level, I can buy. But if it drop and broke below that level, I'll wait for price to get here for me to buy. So this is what I'm looking at on SP500 is a buy market. You want to wait for the opportunity to continue to the upside. Okay, so even though you're trading it with another strategy, you need to be careful. Like on the 4-hour, on the daily, you want to wait for a break of structure here for that to happen on the daily. Okay, which is very important. You want to wait for a break of structure at this level, and then you continue. Price break the structure for you to look at the lower side to sell. Otherwise, you wait for price to get there to buy. And that is what we're looking at. All right, guys, I think that's what it is today. I believe you guys enjoyed this section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video. And also, there are links in the description of this video that will help you to get more information about us. And then I hope to see you guys later. All right, thank you. And have a beautiful trading week. Bye for now.